What I've got is a steady little tray. And I'm just going to slip them over here and just pop this in the freezer. The freezer or the fridge, any one is good. I'm going to actually put it in the freezer. While we're waiting for that, I also wanted to show you, just even using a simple mold, how cool and neat this would be. Again, you just want to take your little bag of chocolate. You're going to fill the hollow cup. You want to go all the way up to the top as you can. Usually you just want to give it like a little gentle tap to smooth it out, and it'll smooth out on its own. I'll do another one for you. We'll put these in. It doesn't take very long. Once you get these melted and poured, it's a very, very simple thing to do. Very quick for everyone who's busy. They're looking for something just a little bit more decorative. Again, I'm just trying to get air bubbles out. You can see that I've filled these. I'm going to go ahead and just pop these in the fridge.